find the best LED video lights at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best LED video lights on the market. Number 10. GVM 560 LED Video Light. The GVM 560 LED Video Light is a perfect selection of LED video light that has been highly recommended. This is due to the fact the light provides a high brightness level with an output of 30 watts. Besides this, it also has a super large light panel of about 45-degree beam angle. Depending on the light intensity needed, you can easily adjust the brightness from 1 to 100%. In addition to this, you can also adjust the color temperature from yellow, 2300K, to white, 6800K. Pros and cons. Pros: ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Design with aluminum alloy housing provides super bright lights. Cons: none. Number 9. SAMTIAN LED Video Light. Do you need the ultimate LED video light for shooting quality videos? This is a great selection of LED video light that provides excellent lighting. The Super Bright LED has adopted 600 quality Super Bright LED lights, which can beat up to 2200 LM. Second to this, the LED lights are easy to use thanks to the wireless remote system for easy control. With this, you can switch on, off the lights, adjust the brightness and much more. Pros and cons. Pros: have a long service life, easy to control, delivers super bright lights. Cons: the stands may not last. Number 8. RALENO LED Video Light. The battery life will determine how efficient and long the light will serve you. With this set of LED video light, you are assured of a longer runtime thanks to the built-in lithium-ion battery. The 5,000 mAh battery offers up to 110-minute runtime of continuous use. With a 3200K 6500K adjustment, the light will assure you of quality by color temperatures. Pros and cons. Pros: provides longer runtime, it recharges anytime anywhere, it is eye-friendly. Cons: some are not ideal for portrait photography. Number 7. FOSITAN LED Video Light. Here is a high-quality video light that will greatly improve the video quality. These lights come with a 2M stretchable aluminum alloy stand, which makes it highly durable and provides stability needed. Apart from this, it has up to 13-level color temperature dimmable. With this, it is elementary to adjust the lights to the required brightness level when shooting the videos. The softer and eye-friendly light can be adjusted from 10% to 100%. For the temperature dimmable, you can always adjust it from 3200K to 650OK. With the 2 remote controls. Pros and cons. Pros: it is easily portable, will suit different video shooting scenes, allows for temperature and color adjustment. Cons: none. Number 6. ULANZI Rechargeable 96 LED Video Light. When you need the ideal LED video light that you can use for indoor and outdoor video shooting, you need to try out this. The LED lights are powered by a powerful and long-lasting 2500 mAh battery. With this, you get a longer runtime for uninterrupted video shooting. The battery also recharges faster for convenient services. Second to this, the brightness can always be adjusted to suit the video shooting needs. You can also easily adjust the color level for a better view. Pros and cons. Pros: it offers a longer runtime, easily adjustable, it is portable. Cons: don't have stand. Number 5. VILTROX LED Video Light, Model VS192T2 Packs. For excellent video shooting, always consider LED lights that can easily be adjusted. The VILTROX LED Video Light VS192T is easily adjustable from 3300K to 5600K, which will perfectly brighten the videos and pictures. You can also adjust the brightness from 20% to 100%, hence a very effective and reliable video light to try out. Pros and cons. Pros: easily portable, it is easily adjustable, longer battery life. Cons: none so far. Number 4. Neewer 2-piece bicolor 660 LED video light. For the safety of your equipment and lights, this set provides you with quality aluminum alloy stands. The stands assure of quality support, which makes them perfect for long-term use. You can easily adjust the stands to provide the best illumination needed when shooting videos. Depending on the color temperature that will suit your video, the lights can easily be adjusted from 3200K to 5600K, which makes it great for studio use. For easy portability, the video LED lights come with 2 carrying bags. Pros and cons. Pros: suits use anywhere, it is great for long-term use, can easily be adjusted. Cons: none. Number 3. GVM 2-pack LED Video Lighting Kit. With a color temperature range of 2300K to 6800K, this is an excellent video LED light that will suit you better. You can always the ideal color temperature for quality video. It also features dimmable light, which can be moved from 105 to 100% for better and improved illumination. The lights feature 480 LEDs, which bring about high brightness. With a life of more than 70,000 hours, it is a great set of video light to try out. Pros and cons. Number 2. ESDDI LED Camera Video Light. The Infant Optics DXR8 is a more expensive, higher-end version of the DXR5 I reviewed earlier. With the superior camera and additional features, it is a much improved version of the DXR5 and currently the #1 selling baby monitor on Amazon.com. One of the major selling points of the DXR8 is its interchangeable optical lens, which allows you greater control and customization over the angle of your camera feed. You can also control the pan, tilt and zoom of your monitor remotely, letting you adjust your view of your child on the fly. The receiver can run for 6 hours with the screen on or 10 hours on power saver mode, and the receiver has an attractive 3.5-inch screen. Like the DXR5, you can expand this system to include up to 4 cameras. Pros and cons. Pros: available in different colors, easy to use, great for use anywhere. Cons: none so far. Number 1. LimoStudio 160 LED Video Light. The LimoStudio 160 LED Video Light is a perfect video LED light that you can use anywhere, anytime. This is because it comes with a carrying bag, which makes it ideal for easy portability. Apart from this, the video light is very powerful thanks to the 160 LED bulbs. You can easily adjust the brightness of the lights depending on the light intensity needed. Apart from this, you can also adjust the color temperature for a better video shooting. It comes with a powerful and long-lasting battery, which delivers a longer runtime. Pros and cons. Pros: it serves for long brightness, can easily be adjusted, it is lightweight and portable, easy to use. Cons: a little bit thick.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.